So today I'm just going to plant potatoes. Now I haven't actually grown potatoes before. I've grown a lot of vegetables, so many vegetables. If you're interested, check out my Instagram page. It's Misty_Mountain_homestead. So Misty Mountain, wait, did I say that right? It's a mouthful. So check out my Instagram at Misty Mountain Homestead if you're interested in that. I'll put a link in the video. So I'll show you what's going on. We're only going to plant from this point forward. We're going to need to remove these turnips that we're growing. Really nice turnips. We've been harvesting through winter. We quite like them cooked up. They've got a similar texture to a potato. These guys, they're a purple top turnip. I'm just going to wash them up and then we'll give all the greens to the chickens. You can eat the tops of the turnips. Usually when you cook them, it gets rid of all these spiky bits. We tend to eat them a little bit when they're young, but not when they're big. We like these bad boys, these guys. So yeah, and then the rest of the parsley I'll throw into the chickens, and they can eat all that up, and then I can plant me potatoes. Yeah, chuk 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 chuk. And that's exactly why chickens and gardening go hand in hand. You know, whatever we don't eat, they get. And if they don't eat it, it goes in the compost. Chicken bedding goes on the fruit trees or the compost. So yeah, if you've got a garden and you're growing food, definitely get some chickens. Little composting machines, little garden helpers they are. Make my job easier anyway. You can see I've dug a trench right near this irrigation line. We had a lot of rain recently, so it's important to note that the soil's not clay. You don't want to be burying your potatoes in clay. You really need to raise them up. So these bad boys, all potatoes, they say you want them to be 250 to 300 millimeters apart. And they also say that they should be about 80 to 100 millimeters deep in a trench, because I'm worried if I go, say, much deeper, then I'm really going to start to hit clay, and you don't want that. So you can also dig a deep trench and put compost on the bottom of your trench to bring them up a little bit, and then plant them, and then I'm going to mound them up later on because I'll have plenty of compost available to me. So it's done. I put in the potatoes, as you saw. I put in some all-purpose slow-release fertilizer that I use, and then I covered it with compost and put a little bit more compost on top, and hopefully in a few weeks we'll see the potatoes pop up, and then I'll film that as well so everyone can follow on the process to see how to grow potatoes from planting to harvest, hopefully. Alright guys, all the best. See you in the next one.